Hi, kids. Today, you will learn about going shopping. Shopping is a fun way to get the clothes and accessories we need to wear. Let's look at some of the cool things we can buy when we go shopping. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Blouse. B-L-O-U-S-E. Blouse. Skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. Scarf. S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Trousers. Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. Belt. B-E-L-T. Belt. T-shirt. T-S-H-I-R-T. T-shirt. Tie. T-I-E. Tie. Singlet. S-I-N-G-L-E-T. Singlet. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Jeans. J-E-A-N-S. Jeans. Slippers. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S. Slippers. Wristwatch. W-R-I-S-T. W-A-T-C-H. Wristwatch. Handbag. H-A-N-D-B-A-G. Handbag. Socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. Going shopping lets you pick out new clothes and accessories to wear for different occasions. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.